Now let us explore another interesting function from Excel, and that's text. Now, given the value to this function, it can help you format the way you need it. Let me give you an example once. So I have, let's say, some numbers called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot 7, 8, 9. Now here we have 3 places after decimals, so I need it in a different format, maybe with a currency symbol. So I say text and select this number, comma, and then in double quotes I would give the format. I hope you remember the custom formats that we had worked on earlier in basic Excel. Well, we'll be applying exactly the same. I need the currency symbol and then the hash, comma, hash, hash, and then 0.00. But here I would like to see 3 places after a decimal point, so I'll put another 0. Close the bracket. This is the format that I defined for the result to be in. And here we have this. Quite neat, right? Let's try something more. Let's say, what if I want to enter a phone number? I have a phone number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a 0, 2. Now I need this to appear something like this format, like 1, 2, 3, space, 4, 5, 6, and then we can try something like space, and then space 7, 8, 9, 0. Let's try this out. This is the result that I need from this number. How do I do that? I say text, value, and what is the format that I need? Now in double quotes, I'll put it as hash, hash, hash. Now this should be within the brackets, right? Something like this. This is the one desired. And then we have another hash, hash 3 times, and then space, and then the 4 times hash. Now just check if this will work. You see, it does the job over there. Now further, in case if you want some data validation in place, we can complex it further as well, but I think this would be the easiest way to do it. What if I need a hyphen over here separating all of them? Instead of brackets, I just need a hyphen here. I can just remove this brackets and hit enter, and here we have this. Maybe I might just want to add a plus as well before this. Should be a great thing. So this is how we can customize this in case if it's a number that we need. Now let's say we have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I want this result to look like 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now at times if you are into batch coding or any kind of serial numbering, you would want to see the zeros as well at the start. So how do you do that? If I were to hit enter, this is what I get. And so it's very difficult. But here with the help of text function, it's achievable. So we say text, I select this number, comma, and in double quotes, I type 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That indicates the 5 numbers over here. And then I need 3 more zeros at the beginning. So 1, 2, 3. So that's total of 8 zeros here, which indicates any number you type, it should be of 8 characters at least. So here it is. Let me try this out. I type 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, and what if I type 9? It takes it as well, but by any chance, if I were to start this with a 0, it doesn't matter because it takes exactly 8 characters. That's how it has been programmed, to only take 8 characters. If I were to type a 0 again for the 9th, it gives me this way. So that's interesting. Again, if you need some trailing, if you need some zeros at the beginning. Now, apart from playing with numbers, we can also try something with fractions. Let's say we have something like 5.85. Now I want this to be in the form of fractions, so I say text, I select this, and then in double quotes I put number, a hash which is for a number, and give a space, question mark slash question mark, double quotes. Now within the double quotes we are giving the format the way how it should be. And here we have this in the form of fractions. Now notice this is not at all different from what we would click on custom and type over here, the custom formats that we had done earlier. This is exactly this part of custom formatting that we are entering here. Now what if the value was 0.25? How would this look like? I say text, the value, and then the format again I need is hash, and in a space I would say question mark slash question mark and close the bracket and hit enter. Okay, here I missed on the double quotes, I hit enter. Well, that's 1/4. But if you notice, there is a space over here, which is not required. We added a space over here. Now, if I were to remove the space, it works perfect. But if instead of 0.25, it was 2.25, then you see, it's causing trouble here. That's not helping out. It's 9/4 instead of 2, 1/4. So this space is essential. That is the first thing. And then we also have this, what if this is 0.25? Then we don't need the space in the beginning. So we can put this entire function within something called as trim. Like as discussed in one of the videos earlier, by putting everything within the trim function, it can help you eliminate any trailing and beginning spaces. Hit enter and the spaces are gone. Simple job there. Now, let me focus on the dates. So today we have this as the date. Now I just need, let's say here I need date, and then I need the month name. And then I would also like to see this day. When I say it's the weekday name, and then the month name. Now let us see how this works out, okay, for this specific date. I enter text, select the cell, comma, format. Now if you remember, in order to get Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday as the weekday, the format was DD. It's at least 3 times you typed D, you get the shorter version of that date. You type another D, and you get the full weekday name. Similarly, we can also get the month name. All we need to do is text, select this, and in double quotes type MMM, double quotes, and we have this. Now let's say you have today's date, space, and the time as well. Well, I don't have the time right now, but if I need it in a date and time format, also we have another function called as text now. Firstly, what do you get when you use the now function? Let me show you that first. I put an equal now, and I give it a long date format or maybe a different one with time as well in it. This one seems to be fine. Here we have this. Now I can also achieve the same thing with the text function. Text, I say now, close the bracket. And what is the format that I need? I need it to be, let's say, This time I would say hyphen DD hyphen YY. Again, YY space HH colon SS. Here we have this. Close the bracket. And here we get. But now what in case I'm not happy with this timing over here? There is something wrong. Let's just try to fix this. Here it is hours and seconds and not minutes. So instead of S, I'm supposed to I'll put MM and then colon SS. Yep. What if I only want the time? So I can just say text now. If it's just the latest time, or else if it is already given somewhere else, you can point to that cell as well. And what is the format that I need? HH colon MM space AM/PM. If this is the format that I need, here we have this. Now this is quite a versatile function, and this text function in Excel helps you achieve whatever you need by coming all the way to the custom format and manually changing it over here and creating new. You can do that over here as well. And that's the beauty.